Here I've got VIVO Y70, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. Just some of them. So first of all, you need to open your phone dealer and let me enter the first code, which is *pound, *pound 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the diagnostic mode, where you can find events and also status. And if you'd like to open advanced view, just tap on more icon and select advanced view. Here it is. And this is it, how you can check your device. That will be all for this one, for the first code. Another one is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the version test, so you can check here network access name, app version, compile time, barcode, and so on. Smoothly enter this code, and here you will be able to check all info. Let me go back. Now another code is *pound, *pound 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got testing mode, where you can check phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Under phone info you will find email number, phone number, if your SIM card is connected with this device, roaming, data service, data network type, and so on. If you'll scroll down, you will be able to perform a ping test right here. Smoothly click on it, and below you will be able to find results. Then the second mode here is user statistics, so just click on it to check how much time you spent on each app. So here you've got the detailed info for each application, the usage time, and also last time used. So here you've got the particular hour. And the last option here is Wi-Fi info, where you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and Wi-Fi status. Under Wi-Fi APA you can check disable networks, disconnected networks, enable networks, configure networks, and the whole connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration you will be able to check all configured networks. And under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it, you can check the current status of your network. This mode also allows you to run a ping test. Just click on it, and here you've got the answer. So let me go back, that would be all for this code. And another code that you can use here is *pound, 06 pound. And this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device with device information. And if you'd like to check email number or serial number, here it is. So these are some of the codes that you can use in your Vivo. Enjoy and check it whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.